Is your productivity stopped because your app can't find the Hpstatusbl.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To start the walkthrough for Hpstatusbl, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This DLL file is an HP printer status monitoring library. It runs in the background to track ink levels, paper jams, and connectivity status for HP LaserJet and OfficeJet printers, reporting issues to the user via the taskbar. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The Hpstatusbl.dll belongs to the HP Printer Driver application bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of HP Printer Driver will restore this file and related components. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Hpstatusbl component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install the Hpstatusbl.dll, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references the Hpstatusbl configuration concepts. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure the Hpstatusbl remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.